We got smoke balls. Pretty cool.
Yeah. We have this like firework kit. It's like so huge. We have like lots of stuff. Puppets. Yep. And we have some maximum blast cave busters. And read this one. And we have
No limit.
and we have like this thingy right here. It has like little tubes and stuff, and like you put the firework in it, and then it like steps up. Yeah. This was the rarest one they had at the market. We have hot shot.
We have the radioactive excuse TNT. Shout out to TNT fireworks.
Oh, and we have like this brick of like fireworks, and they like set off at one time. Yeah. I wonder how much they have in here, like 9 or something. 6 shots. And we have one right here. And we have the super firecrackers that shoot 2,000 pieces. Explosive! We have TNT Dragonfly.
All right.
Oh, and we have Purple People Eater. Yeah, it says very explosive. Yeah. So we have the ground blues.
We have these, and we also have the Morning Glory light one at time and excuse 1981 TNT fireworks.
By the way, we have this TNT 100 shots. It's supposed to be very explosive. It's flammable with report shoots, whistle in air. It seems awesome. As you can see, like the cover right here. You're gonna see.
And that's we have all the arsenal.
That's one of them.
And we're gonna do this outside. We'll see.
We have Mighty Python TNT. Okay, guys, you saw what we got, and we're gonna send them off for you. So
And we have my wagon here. We're going outside.
all right, guys, we have all these fireworks, and I'm gonna be passing out everybody puppets, and we're gonna throw them on this driveway. It's huge. Yeah, and we're gonna have a fun time doing this. I hope. It's gonna be really amazing. Puppets. Look, you just dropped them, and then you just keep going. And also, watch this. See you later. Peace out.
No, Mark, take yours over there.
What? What's this? Let's track it. Get back! It's gonna go. Look. Look at that. Pretty sweet, huh?
Three, four. Get up there.
Watch this. This is going to be really hot. Step back, guys. Hey, watch this, guys. The mover.
Wow, man. Yeah, there it is.
Hold it.
There goes him, Mama.
Wow.
There goes Mama.
That is another one. Okay, we're done with our fireworks, so I'm going to introduce their names. This is David, Alex, Mari, well, Grace, and Claire. And you should really stay tuned for our channel and watch Awesome Alex 5.0.
Give us a big thumbs up and shout out to TNT and shout out to Claire and Grace's channel, and we'll see y'all next time.
Bye!